Dear students, we will find out coefficient of QD. So the formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So we know that already Q3 is 194 minus Q1 165 divided by Q3 194 plus Q1 165. So coefficient, that's your 194 minus 165 will be equal to 29 divided by 194 plus 165 will be equal to 359. So coefficient of QD is equal to 0.08077. So coefficient of QD is equal to 0.081. That's your answer. So dear students, under individual series we will find out QD and coefficient of QD. See once again beta, we are discuss quarterly deviation denoted with QD. The formula of QD, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of QD, Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Dear students, we will find out QD under individual, discrete or continuous series. First of all, we are discuss under individual series. Under individual series, only item is given. So first of all, we are give the serial number, and that's your n is equal to 10. Total number of item is 10. And after that we will check the all item is in order ascending or descending. After that we will apply the formula Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of n, that's your number of item, total number of item 10 plus 1 divided by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of 11 divided by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of 2.75th item. So 2.75th item, that's your mid part of the 2 or 3 items. So you will apply the alternate formula, size of 2.75th item is equal to second item plus 0.75th item, third item minus second item. So second item here is 150 plus 0.75, third item 170 minus 150 second item. So that's your 150 plus 0.75, 770 minus 150 will be equal to 20. So 0.75 will multiply 20, that's your 150 plus 0.75 multiply with 20 will be equal to 15. So 150 plus 15 equal to 165, that's Q1. After that we will find out Q3 is the formula size of 3n plus 1 divided by fourth item. Q3 size of 3n, that's over 10 plus 1 divided by fourth item. Q3 size of 3 11 by fourth item. Q3 size of 3 11 by fourth will be equal to 2.75th item. Q3 size of 3 multiply with 2.75 will be equal to 8.25th item. 8.25th item, that's your size of 8.25th item is equal to 8th item plus 0.25, 9 minus 8th item. 8th item is 192 plus 0.25, 9th item 200 and 8th item 192. So 192 plus 0.25 and 200 minus 192 will be equal to 8. So 192 plus 0.25 multiply with 8, that's your 2.00. So Q3 is equal to 92 plus 2 equal to 194. After that we will find out QD. The formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 equal to Q3, that's your 194 minus 165 divided by 2. QD is equal to 29 by 2. QD is equal to 14.5. After that we are discuss coefficient of QD. The formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So dear students, Q3 is 194 minus 165 and divided by 194 plus 165. So that's your 29 divided by 359. So coefficient of QD is equal to 0.08077. Coefficient of QD is equal to 0.081. Clear beta? That's your question. That's your another style of the question. That's your item is given 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 or 60. So dear students, first of all you will give the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's your n is equal to 11. After that you will check the all item is in ascending or descending order. So the item is already arranged in ascending order. After that you will apply the formula Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of n, that's your 11 plus 1 divided by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of 12 by fourth item. So Q1 is equal to size of third item, and third item 1, 2, 3, third item is 20. So Q1 is equal to 20. After that we will find out Q3. So the formula size of 3n plus 1 divided by fourth item. Q3 is equal to size of 3n, that's your 11 plus 1 divided by fourth item. So Q3 is equal to size of 3, 12 divided by fourth item. Q3 is equal to size of 3 into third item. Q3 is equal to size of 3, 3 is a ninth item. So Q3 is equal to ninth item is 50. That's Q3. After that we will find out QD. So the formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So QD is equal to Q3, that's a 50 minus Q1 20 divided by 2. So QD is equal to 30 by 2. So QD is equal to 15. That's answer. After that you will find out coefficient of QD. So the formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So it is equal to Q3, that's your 50 minus 20 divided by 50 plus 20. So is equal to, that's your 50 minus 20, 30, and 50 plus 20, 70. So that's your point. Twice 0.43. That's your coefficient of QD. Clear beta? So you have two styles of the question under individual series. First one, when the item is given in even number, and next one is the item is given in a perfect item. So after that you will find out QD and coefficient of QD under individual series. Clear beta? If you have any problem, then you can discuss without any hesitation with me, and you will solve out some question on your fair copies. I will send beta.